Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Monica, and in today's video I will show you how you can schedule and manage your shared resources directly within Jira using a booking app developed by Apwide. This app is available on Atlassian Marketplace and works seamlessly with Jira and Jira Service Management. You don't need any external tool anymore to book your resources. You can do it in Jira with the help of this app. Whether it's booking a meeting room, a desk, a mobile devices, company vehicle, or any kind of equipment, this app let you handle it all without ever leaving Jira. And this app is very easy to use. You don't need to be a Jira expert or Jira admin to use this app. So now let's start by installing this app and see how can we book our resources in Jira. The installation process of this app is pretty simple. You will go to the apps and then you will click on explore more apps. Then you will search Apwide Booking, or you can simply write down the booking as well. And then you will find the first result, which is booking resource reservation for Jira. It is developed by Apwide. You can click over here and then you will find an option to try it free. You can click and try it free. And then it will ask me to select a site. I have a multiple site with this organization, so that's why it is showing me to select a site. Then I will review it. After that, it will asking about the permissions and data management. Now I will start my free trial. It will take few seconds to install this app. Now this app has been added to my instance and ready to use. When you will install this app, then you can give it a refresh, and after that inside the apps menu you will see booking. Click on the booking and it will land you to the booking hub. It is a landing page of this app. Booking hub is a place where you will see all of your booking flow. Right now we do not have any booking flow, so that's why it's empty. We will click this plus booking flow to create our booking flow. And here you will find the list of templates you can use according to your use cases. And if you will not find the template which is specific to your use case, you can use this other stuff template. You can select it and then customize this template according to your need. For this video, I will select, or I will choose this meeting room template. So here I will select it, where I have a name, description, resource field name, and the work type name. Resource field name is the selected custom field which will hold the list of your resources. And this is the work type, meeting room booking. So if you want to change the work type, then you can also do that, but I don't want to do that. I just want to keep it the default one. And here either you can create new project or you can use the existing company managed project. I will create the Apwide booking with this key. You can also change the name, you can also change the key. And here you can add the resources to this flow. You can go and add the resources. You can just click here and then you can add CEO meeting room. And if you want to remove it, then you can simply click here and it will be removed from your resource list. Now I will hit the create button. After filling all the details, I will hit the create button. When I will hit the create button, then lots of process is going on behind the scene. Like this app will create a project or use the existing one. It depends on the setting that you did. And after that, it will create the work type. In our case is meeting room booking. Custom fields like start date, end date, and resource field, which is meeting room. Then statuses, screens, workflow, and the other configuration. And after that, it will be done. It is saying, please leave this window open. So do not close this window. It will hardly take a few seconds to complete these steps. And we are already on the last step. Here, everything was generated correctly. And now we can go to the booking hub. On the booking hub page, we have a workflow, which is meeting room. Now we have two options here. We can open this or we can directly book our resources by clicking on this book button. I will open this for now. And here we can also book our resources by clicking this book. We can edit this booking flow. In the list view, you can see the list of your all the booking requests. And when you will go to the timeline view, then here from the timeline view, you can create your booking request as well as you can reschedule it directly from the timeline view. I will show you how you will do that later in the video. It's my favorite one because in the timeline view it is very easy to move around. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, then you can do it. And we have the resources tab where you will find the resources that are available in this booking flow. If you want to update, then you can update these resources list from here. Now I will come back to the list and I will click on book. Here we have start time. I want to book this one 5 tomorrow, and at 1 I need this room for 2 hours, and on the basis of start time and duration the end time will be adjusted automatically. And here in the resource field it is also showing me the suggested available resources that match the selected date and time. Here I want to book a panic room. So let's see, yeah, the panic room is available and they are also showing me the available resources. Here you can edit this summary, you can write down the summary, but for now I will go with the default one. But if you want to change, you can do it. For example, if I will go panic meeting room booking, I can change it and then book. Booking successfully, and you can say BKG1 panic meeting room booking. I can close it, and in the list view you can see it was in the in review status previously and it's approved automatically. Now we will open this work item. Yes, work item or a Jira ticket. All the bookings will be a Jira ticket. So there is nothing new here. All of the booking that you are doing for your resources will work as a Jira ticket. Here in this ticket status is approved already. Why? Because it is enabled in the workflow. We have already turned on the auto approval process. This is the workflow which is automatically created by this app. Let's suppose if you want to turn off and turn on the auto approval process, then you can do this. I will explain later in the video, and you can also change the statuses. Now I can go and close it, and here in this booking ticket we have start time, end time and meeting room. These fields are read only. You cannot change these fields on the approved status. Now if you want to reschedule this particular booking, then how you can do this from this Jira ticket or the work item. Okay, you will come to the booking part. Here you can see it's booking. Click here, and in this section you will see the logs, and if you want to refresh it, you can also refresh it. We have option to refresh, and here we have an option to reschedule this booking. We also can go to the booking flow directly from here. So I will click on reschedule. It will come to the booking flow and open this window where I can reschedule this resource. Let's suppose now I want this room for 3 hours, and on the basis of the duration and time is adjusted automatically. It is again showing me the available resources, and now I can reschedule it. Okay, this is successful, and here you can see the status is going back to the review, and when I will come here and refresh it, and it's approved. So this is how you can reschedule your resources. When we reschedule our booking, then it again go to the auto approval process and make it checked it is available or not, and if it's available, then it's make it approved. Now I want to show you how you can turn it and turn on this auto approval process. Here you have an option which is booking flow, so you can go here and then you can edit it. After that, just scroll down and then you will find the option auto approval. Here you can enable and disable the auto approve request from here. You can also change the trigger status, and you can also turn on and off the link conflicts option. I'll show you where you can see this link conflicts later in the video. So this is how you can change in your workflow. Now I will cancel it because I don't want to turn it off. Now let's go back. I will again come to the BKG1, and here I want to show you about the all section of the activity. This is the place where you can see all of the activities related to this booking ticket. Like you can see, it was in the approved status previously. So it went to the approved to review to approved. So this is the place where you can see all of the activities. Now we will come back to the meeting room workflow again. We will go to the timeline view, and here we will see how we can make a booking from the timeline view. Let's suppose I want to book this CEO meeting room on 6th of June. So here I will just simply click, and here I will fill the time. Let's suppose I want this room 2 and I need for 4 hours, set duration to 0. So and time will adjust automatically, and here we have the list of the available resources, and now I will book it. Booking successful, and in the timeline view you can see the gray means this booking is in review status right now. I will go and refresh it, and it's green now. It means it's approved. Now I want to book the Batcave 2. I will book this Batcave room again, but I want this room from 4 and then I need for 6 hours, or not 6 hours actually. I want this for 2 hours. Showing me the available resources. I can change the summary if I want, and then I will book it. Booking successfully. It's gray. When I will refresh it, then it should be approved. Yes, it's green. Now we have booked the Batcave and CEO meeting room on 6th of June on the different time. But now I just want to check how I can reschedule this CEO meeting room. I will simply click over here, and then I can reschedule it. I just want this only for 2 hours now, and then I can reschedule it. And yes, booking successfully. So this is how we will reschedule our resources, booked resources from the timeline view. Simply click and the window will open, and you can schedule it. You can change the start time and duration, and it's done. So it's approved now. Now I want to show you what will happen if we have the conflict between the resources. Let's suppose 2 person wants to book this Batcave room on the same time. The CEO meeting room person wants this room, the Batcave, on the same time. So I will simply drag and drop here, and then it will open a window just like this, and it is showing the Batcave is unavailable due to conflict, because we have a conflict over here. But still I will force and reschedule. Still I have rescheduled it forcefully. So now it's booking successfully and close. Now it's gray, and then I will refresh it and it's orange. I will come to the list view, and here you can see for the BKG2 it's rejected. Why it's rejected? I can go and open the BKG2, and here you can see the status is rejected. It is rejected because it has a confliction with the BKG3. So this is the place where you can see the list of all the conflicted booked items over here. So this is a cool feature, because you can see why your booking rejected. What was the reason? The reason is because it is conflicting with the other booking. So whenever if your booking is rejected, then the conflicting issues will be linked with the booking ticket. Now we will check how we can create a booking with the help of ROVO. We have an option over here. You can see in the top right corner. We will click on the ROVO chat, and then we will come to the agents. After that, we will find the booking color. This is our agent. I will go and view the agent from here. You can simply click, but I'm just viewing and chat to the agent over here. And I would say I would like to book panic room for 20th June for 2 hours. Now it is reviewing my question, then get the current time and my time zone, fetch the booking configuration and the available resources, and you can see your secret mission is set. Here your booking, meeting room, panic room, and this is the ticket. So you can go and click, because this is my booking ticket, which is BKG4. I will open it in the new tab, and here you go, it's approved. The start time 20th June 9:30 a.m. and time 11:30 a.m. and the meeting room is panic room. Now I will go back and I will say, would you please change the time from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So here it is saying, oh no, it looks like the panic room is already booked during that time, but don't worry, we have some other cool options available. So it is showing me the other options for that particular time. So here I can change the room. I would say, okay, then book the Bat Cave room. And here ROVO has successfully booked my meeting room, which is Bat Cave, and created a new booking ticket. So I will open this BKG5 now. And here 20th June from 11 to 1 and the meeting room is Bat Cave. This is how you can use the ROVO to book your resources to create your booking request directly from Jira. And that's how easy it is to manage your booking directly in Jira with the help of this app. From setup to scheduling and even AI powered booking with the help of ROVO, everything was efficient, smooth, and customizable. So if this is something your team can take a benefit from, then I would suggest to head over to the Atlassian Marketplace and install this app today. I have already mentioned the link in the description below, so you can directly check the description, go to the Atlassian Marketplace and install this app. If you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and mention your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.